Hey everyone, today, I'm excited to show that I've discovered a new trick in Kdenlive. While I was browsing the KD Discuss forum, I came across this question.
I was exploring the idea of creating a custom clip in Job to change the duration of a clip, or selected clips, in this case image clips. I am not talking about the duration of a clip on the timeline.
With that in mind, I started reading the official Kdenlive manual. I found something interesting, so I started experimenting. I found some common scripts using FFmpeg on the internet. You can read the official documentation for more functions. Here, I'm going to convert an image into 1-minute video footage. Here's how. When you open Kdenlive, click on Clip on the menu bar. You will see Clip Job is inactive. Clip Job option is active only when there is a clip selected. So, we will just import any random image. Right-click, then click on Clip Jobs, and then at the bottom, click on Configure Jobs. A new window will pop up. Here you will see, there are some jobs by default. We want to create our own custom job. For that, click on the plus icon. A new template will emerge. Locate the FFmpeg executable file that comes with Kdenlive. Now enter the following script. Change the final file output extension as .mp4. And it worked. Let me explain the usage only in a simple way as a non-technical user. Here source means that is the original file that you imported, and output refers to, well, depending on the settings. Like here I want to place a modified copy in this subfolder. You can overwrite the original if you want. But I want to keep the original just in case. Also I want this applied to image only. For more details read the official Kdenlive documentation. If you're expert in FFmpeg, tell us your explanation in the comments section below. So, I played around for a while with the different scripts. There is a tool called ImageMagick, which is used for manipulating images. You can say more functions than FFmpeg for images. This time, I want to convert an SVG file to high-resolution PNG image. Let's download ImageMagick. If you already have this installed, then just skip this part and jump right to the next chapter. To download, simply go to Google, search for ImageMagick with the K in the end. Click on this link download. Since I've Windows version, I will click that. And then I will choose this top version. Since I have it already installed, I won't run the setup again. Moving on. So, here's how I converted SVG to PNG. Similar to previous settings. I will locate ImageMagick executable. Then enter the script. Density is the DPI value is used for determining the quality of image. That's how you can use Kdenlive Clip Job Manager without opening external application and can automate minor simple tasks. So there you have it. Hope you find this useful. If you have any doubts, leave in the comments section below. And don't forget to like if you really liked it. And subscribe for more video. I will see next time. Bye.